True love, it's a constant commitment to a person regardless of the present circumstances. It's a commitment to a person who you understand isn't always going to be your favorite person, but the person that you choose day in, day out. This form of love, though hard at times, is far more satisfying and meaningful. And at the end of the day, it's what brings true happiness, and it's what you both have.
I've always felt a need to look out for Han because she gives her heart so freely, especially to the people in her life. Han also wants to make the world a better place. Whether she's volunteering with me at a local toy drive for the holidays or delivering food to the needy. I'm so blessed to have such a giving and compassionate sister.
So when Han first wanted to introduce Heedrin to me, she told Heedrin that I wasn't gonna like him. But he turned out to be I. Heedrin is very laid back, sincere, and unpretentious. He's always up to exploring new places and trying different things. His easygoing nature is probably what made him charming to Han.
Heedrin, you and I have stumbled upon such luck to have been able to meet, become great friends, and fall in love. When I needed bus fare to Ket Mori or a song to cheer me up, you were there. With each grown-up milestone, you were there. Heedrin, I promise to support your many hobbies, hopes, and dreams, but more importantly, to uplift you in the times where you may stumble. I love you, Bimbo.
Han, I would have never imagined being this lucky to marry someone as amazing as you. I promise to always laugh at your jokes. I promise to always be silly with you and be your one-man audience when you sing about random things. And whenever you feel like the world is crumbling down, just know that I will forever have your back. I love you so much. You're a beautiful soul who has captured my heart, and I am eternally yours.
And it is now my pleasure, sincere joy, to declare you husband and wife. You may kiss your bride.
This could be the moment we've been waiting for, the chance to feel alive. Nothing's gonna stop us, nothing's gonna top this, nothing like we've ever seen. And I raise my
Heedrin, Han, we wish you the best luck in this world. Dad and I love you very much. Thank you.